पंचवटी द्विगु समास है या बहुव्रीहि? नीलकंठ कर्मधारय है या बहुव्रीहि? These exact two questions came in CBSE 2026 board exam and in multiple sets. So if you are sitting there confused right now, this video is for you. So stay till the end of this video and don't skip. So namaskaram, namaskara, vanakkam, north से south students सभी के लिए welcome back to Hindi Simplified X. Today we are going to learn the complete lesson of samas entirely in English, because if Hindi is not your mother tongue, then you deserve an explanation that actually gives sense to you. So no shortcuts, no memorization without understanding, just pure logic. So let's go. Before we go into the types of samas, what exactly is samas? Here, two or more words join together by dropping the connector words in between. That is called as samastpad or compound word. And when we expand it, it is called as vigra or full form of that word. Think of it. In Tamil, we say amma, appa. In Hindi, we say mata, pita. We never say mata or pita. So that shortening Mata Pita is called as Samas. And in the board exam, if they say write Vigra, means we have to expand the word back into its full form. So that is the key skill. Lock it in your mind right now. And by the way, I have made a free Samas cheat sheet where I have covered all 6 types of Samas, all tricks, and 2026 CBSE questions with bilingual model answers. So comment Samas PDF right now so that I can send it to you directly. Comment now. Let's continue. Let's discuss about Avevi Bhav Samas. Think Avevi Bhav Samas as like your elder brother. Now how it is? Let's understand. So the definition is जिस समास में पहला पद अवय हो और वह पूरे पद का अर्थ निर्धारित करे उसे अवयवी भाव समास कहते हैं. Means when the first word remains unchangeable and it controls the entire compound words and its meaning, and the word works like as an avay, then it is avayavi bhav samas. So, Avayavi Bhav Samas is like an elder brother who controls all the siblings in the family, and the entire compound word behave like an adverb. It tells you how something is done or in what way. Now, here is the quick trick to check whether the word is Avayavi Bhav Samas or not. So, when the word start with Yatha, Prati, A, Be, Ni, Nir, so here the vigra will become, for yatha it will become ke anusar, for prati it will become pratek, for a it will become bhar, and for be, ni, nir it will become bina. So let's check it out in 2026 board examples. It came in 2026. So yatha sthiti, yes, vigra is sthiti ke anusar. Yatha sigra, vigra is jitna sigra ho sake. This also you can write. प्रतिदिन प्रत्येक दिन बाकायदा कायदे के अनुसार. फॉर बा वी यूज अनुसार. आजीवन जीवन भर. Now here is the quick test. Is nisande is avayavi bhav samas? So pause and think. Yes, when the word start with ni, it is avayavi bhav samas. Now let's talk about तत्पुरुष समास. Check the definition. जिस समास में उत्तर पद प्रधान हो और बीच में कारक चिन्ह को से, where the connector is all the कारक connector का, से, के लिए, का, के, की पर between the two words, then yes, if it is there, it is tatpurush samas. So here the second word is always the boss. It is the main word, and second word is the star of the show. So let's check it out with 2026 board examples. So the first one is Ganga Tat, Ganga Ka Tat. Connector is Ka. Rasoi Ghar, Rasoi ke liye ghar. Then Vicharadhin, Vichar ke adhin, means when we are thinking something. Then Vidyahin, Vidya se hin, means lack of education. So hidden connector is se. So Vidya se hin, it is Tatpurush Samas. Then Dharm Granth, Dharm ka Granth. So it is Tatpurush Samas. Now you tell me, is Mahakavi is a Tatpurush Samas? Pause and think. No, it is not Tatpurush Samas, because Mahakavi is, when we expand, it will become Mahan hai jo kavi. So here adjective plus noun, it is which samas? Yes, Karmdhare samas. So this is the next type of samas which we are going to discuss. So note it down. So what is the definition? जिस समास में विशेषण और विशेष्य की संबंध हो, दोनों शब्द एक ही वस्तु की विशेषता बताए, that is कर्मधारय समास. Means when the first word is an adjective and it is complementing the another word, the noun, and there a comparison word has been used, as you can see in the example के समान है जो, so that is कर्मधारय समास. So let's check it out with the example which came in 2026. नील गगन. So when we do vigra, it become नीला गगन. So here नीला is adjective and gagan is noun. श्वेत कमल. श्वेत है जो कमल. So adjective plus noun. महासंग्राम. महान संग्राम. Here the maha is expanded to mahan. So that is कर्मधारय समास. चंद्रमुख. चंद्र के समान मुख. That is also a comparison where face is compared with moon. So that is कर्मधारय समास. Then Mahadevi. Mahan hai jo Devi. So that is also a कर्मधारय समास. Now when we have discussed about Mahakavi, what I told, what is that समास? Yes, कर्मधारय समास. So when we expand what, it will become महान है जो कवि. So when there is the word like के समान है जो, that is कर्मधारय समास. There is directly the first word will compare with the next word and it will represent the same word. First one will be adjective and the next word will be a noun. So that is कर्मधारय समास. Now पीताम्बर. Pause here and tell me, is Pitambar is Kamdharya or Bahuvrihi? So comment your answer below. I will answer this in confusion section, but I can give you hint. Hint is that it refers with the context. Now tell me in the comment that is Pitambar is Kamdharya or Bahuvrihi. Now next one which we are going to discuss is about Dvand Samas. Think Dvand Samas as like twins where both are equal. So let's check the definition. जिस समास में दोनों पद प्रधान हो और बीच में और या अथवा का लोप हो, that is called as द्वंद समास. Means when both the words are equal important and in between that or, in Hindi or is there and ya is there, that is द्वंद समास. So let's check it with the examples. दिया बाती. Yes, it is द्वंद समास. दिया और बाती. Then दाल भात, दाल और भात. दिन रात, दिन और रात. तन मन धन. So when we do vigra, tan or man or dhan, here triplets are there, no twins. These three words are triplets. So when the words carries equal amount of importance, that is called as dvand samas. Now here is an interesting question for you. The word is puja sthal. Now tell me which samas it is. You comment in the section which samas it is. You pause and think. No, it is not dvand samas. A hyphen doesn't usually means it is dvand samas. Here when we expand the word, it will become puja ke liye sthal. And where we use ke liye? Yes, in tat purush samas. So this question exactly came in the board 2026 paper to confuse the students. You don't get confused. When you have to expand the word and you have to check the connector. If it is not or ya, then it is not dvand samas. Both the words should have equal importance. Now let's check about the type 5, which is Dvigu Samas. Now here the word is hidden in the name itself, the type itself. Dvi means two. So keep it in your mind when the first word is a number and when we are doing the vigra of that word, we are using K Samaha. So let's check it out with the definition. So the definition is जिस समास में पहला पद संख्यावाचक विशेषण हो और पूरा पद किसी समूह या समाहार का बोध कराए. Means when the first word is a number and the whole compound refers to a group or a collection, it is called as Dvigu Samas. So I told you before also, the first word will be always a number. I have given this hint in the second part of my Samas video. You can go and check it out. So here the number is 2, 3, 4, 5. It can come as Sapt, Panch. So when you see the first word as a number and if they are asking to do Vigra, you have to write K Samahar. Yes. So Dvi means two. Think like a bicycle. So when the word Dvi is coming, it means a number. So let's check it out with 2026 board examples. So Panchvati, it means पांच वटों का समाहार. सत सई, 700 दोहों का समाहार. अष्टाध्यायी, अष्ट अध्यायों का समाहार. सप्तऋषि, 7 ऋषियों का समूह. I told you either samahar or samuh. दोपहर, दो पहरों का समाहार. Now can you recall back when we started this video, I asked Panchvati is which samas? So yes, it is Dvigu samas. Now let's check type 6, which is Bahuvrihi samas. So let's check the definition first. जिस समास में दोनों पद मिलकर किसी तीसरे व्यक्ति वस्तु की विशेषता बताए, ना पूर्व ना उत्तर पद प्रधान हो, means when neither of the word, when we are doing vigraha of the word, neither the first word, neither the second word, which is purva pad and uttar pad, both of them are not important over here, and it refers to a third entity that is called as bahuvrihi samas. And who is that third entity? It can be a person or it can be a god. So here is the quick trick for you all. Does the compound word represent to a third entity beyond its literal meaning? If yes, then it is bahuvrihi samas. And if the vigra is using jiska, jiski, jiske and wala, remember the wala test? It refers to third person or a god, then it is bahuvrihi samas. So bahuvrihi means beyond literal meaning. And now the second unresolved questions which I have asked you at the very beginning of this video. Yes, Neel Kant. So Neel means literal means what? Blue, a blue throat. Now which person or god represent Nilkant? Yes, it is Lord Shiva, but it refers with the context. So when the word points out to a third entity, to a god Shiva, then it will be Bahuvrihi Samas. And this question has been asked multiple times in the board, so keep it in your mind. Let's check with the example. Neelkant we have discussed, then Mahatma, Mahan hai Atma jiski, here we are using jiski. Then Giridhar, Giri ko dharan karne wala, Giri means mountain. Now who has bared that mountain? Yes, Lord Krishna. Then Shadanan, Shat hai Anand jiske, Shat means She. So who is that? Yes, who has that six faces? Lord Kartike. Chakra Pani, चक्र है पानी में जिसके. Even the question comes वीणा पानी, so वीणा है पानी में जिसके. Who bears chakra in the hand? Lord Vishnu. And who bears that veena? Yes, goddess Saraswati. So this all came in the exam. Now here is the biggest trap for you all of 2026. They have given Shadanan. Now Shat, that Shat is a number, but don't get confused. Shat hai Anand jiske, it represent to a god, Lord Kartikeya. So keep it in your mind, when the word refers to a third entity, it is called as Bahuvrihi Samas. So this question was directly asked in 2026. So now you know the difference. When there is a number, first word is a number, Purv Pad is a number, it is Dvigu Samas. But if we are doing the Vigra and it refers to some third entity and we are using the word Jiska, Jiske or Wala, then it is Bahuvrihi Samas. Now confusion busters. This is the section most Hindi teachers skip. We are not skipping it. These three confusions are the section where students lost their marks every year. So one clear test for each, Hindi and English both. Learn it once and use it every time. So what is the difference between Karmdhare and Bahuvrihi? So when it is asked in exam, you have to write अगर समस्त पद means the entire word का अर्थ दोनों पदों तक सीमित रहे, that is कर्मधारय, और अगर वह किसी तीसरे व्यक्ति या वस्तु की ओर इशारा करे तो वह है बहुव्रीहि समास. So what is that? If the meaning stops at the two words when we are doing vigra, Purvapad and Uttarpad, that is Karmdhare Samas. And if it points to third entity, it is Bahuvrihi Samas. Now, if in the board exam question says पीताम्बर को कर्मधारय में विग्रह करके लिखिए, so you will write पीला अंबर. And if it says बहुव्रीहि में विग्रह कीजिए, so you will write पीत है अंबर जिसका. So read the question carefully during the board exam. Now let's check about द्विगु and बहुव्रीहि. So here we have understood, अगर पहला पद संख्यावाची हो means number, उसके साथ हम के समाहार और समूह लगा रहे हैं, then it is द्विगु समास. And बहुव्रीहि we have understood that when we are writing, अगर हम जिसका और जिसके लिखे और वह तीसरा व्यक्ति के बारे में बताए तो वह बहुव्रीहि होता है. Means द्विगु, the first पद, पूर्व पद will be always a number and the second word represent to a collection, means samahar, ke samu, then it is Dvigu Samas. And when the first pad or Purva pad is a number, but the second word where there we are using jiska or jiski, means a person that has many thing. It can be head, it can be hand. So it is Bahuvrihi Samas. Example, Panchvati, पांच वटों का समाहार. So it is द्विगु समास. And षडानन, षट है आनंद जिसके, that is Bahuvrihi Samas, a person who has 6 faces. So what is the golden rule between Dvigu and Bahuvrihi? When there is a collection of numbers and when we are using Ka Samahar, Ka Samu, then it is Dvigu Samas. And when we are doing the vigra of that word and it shows, it represent to a third entity, to a person, then it is Bahuvrihi Samas. Now let's check the third confusion which most of the students have, that is Tatpurus Samas and Karmdhare Samas. So here when they are asking what is Tatpurus Samas in the exam, you will write अगर दोनों पद के बीच कोई कारक चिन्ह हो तो वह तत्पुरुष समास होता है, जैसे कि का, के, की, से, के लिए. So for this you have to remember the कारक connector, कर्ता ने, कर्म को, कारण से, संप्रदान को, के लिए. So remember all the connector. When we are using this connector between the two words, when we are doing the vigrah of that two words, that is called तत्पुरुष समास. And when हम शब्द का विग्रह करें और पहला पद विशेषण हो और कोई कारक चिन्ह ना हो तो वह कर्मधारय समास होता है. So what is the golden rule between तत्पुरुष and कर्मधारय? Find the hidden connector. If karak chin is there, then it is tatpurush, and if only adjective is there, it is karmdhare samas. Now we go through every single questions which has been asked in the board 2026 question paper organized by CBSE format type. This is exactly how you will see in the question paper. I will give you the question and the complete model answer over here. Here each question will appear first. You have to pause and think and then click for the answer. So the format one, the question was अवयवी भाव समास की विशेषता बताए. So pause and think for a second. So what you will write as an answer, जब पहला पद अवय हो और समस्त पद means the compound word क्रिया विशेषण की तरह कार्य करता है, उसे हम अवयवी भाव समास कहते हैं. And don't forget, you have to write उदाहरण also. उदाहरण you can give यथा शक्ति, शक्ति के अनुसार, which is अवयवी भाव समास. So the first word is always an unchangeable prefix where it will be yatha, prati, a, be, ni. Yes. Then the second question, यथा स्थिति समासिक पद का विग्रह करके इसका भेद भी लिखिए. So pause and think for a second. Yes, I told you when yatha is there, what you will write? Ke anusar. So when you are doing the vigrah of this word, it will be sthiti ke anusar. And what samas it is? Avevi bhav samas. The prefix will be yatha. You have to write in vigrah ke anusar means, and here the whole word is kriya visheshan or adverb. Now the next question, Neelkant शब्द का बहुव्रीहि समास में विग्रह कीजिए. This question also I told you, you have to do in बहुव्रीहि समास. So pause and think for a second. Yes. So when we are doing vigrah, नील है कंठ जिसका, who is that? Lord Shiva. So what is that type? Bahuvrihi samas. So Neelkant literal meaning is blue throat, but when it represent to a third entity, when we are using है, नील है कंठ जिसका, when we are using है जिसका, then it is Bahuvrihi samas. Now the next one, नील गगन पद कर्मधारय समास का उदाहरण है कैसे? They are asking how. So think for a second. Now the answer will be, when we are doing the vigrah, whenever they are giving the question, what you can do, you write the vigrah, or when they are giving the vigrah words, you can combine the word and put it as samast pad. So पहला पद जो है, पूर्व पद जो है नीला, वो क्या है? विशेषण, इट इज एन एडजेक्टिव. और दूसरा पद गगन, वो क्या है? विशेष्य. तो जब पहला पद विशेषण हो और उत्तर पद विशेष्य हो, कोई कारक चिन्ह नहीं हो और कोई तीसरा अर्थ ना हो, नो थर्ड मीनिंग इज देयर, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कर्मधारय समास. So formula is Visheshan plus Vishesh. It is Kamdharya Samas. So here the meaning stops between these two words, Neela, Gagan. So it is Kamdharya Samas. Now the next question is Panchvati अष्टाध्यायी द्विगु समास का उदाहरण है कैसे? तो pause for a second and think about it. Yes, जब पहला पद संख्यावाचक शब्द हो, जैसे कि पंच और पंचवटी, पांच वटों का समाहार, तो समूह का बोध हो रहा हो, तो वह द्विगु समास है. सेम लाइक अष्टाध्यायी ऑल्सो. अष्ट अध्यायों का when the purva pad is number or ka samahar is there in the vigrah, so don't think otherwise. And it is not bahuvri, it is not saying about third entity, then it is dvigu samas. Now let's take the next one. We already discussed sadanand shamast pad samas के किस भेद का उदाहरण है. So when we are doing the vigrah, we will write shat hai anand jiske, means the one who has 6 faces. So kartike. So Shat looks like a number. It refers as Dvigu Samas. But hai jiska is coming, it means it is Bahuvrihi Samas. Here, the two words, when we are doing the vigrah of this word, Purupad and Uttarpad, it represents to a third entity. That's why it is Bahuvrihi Samas. Now, 7 ऋषियों का समूह हिमालय पर ध्यान कर रहा था. रेखांकित पदों से समस्त पद बनाइए. तो 7 ऋषियों का समूह, what you will write? Yes, you will write Saptirishi. And what is the bhed? Sapt means number. Dvigu Samas. Don't think more than this. When Ka Samu collection is there, it is definitely a Dvigu Samas with a number. Ka Samu is there with a number, then it is definitely a Dvigu Samas. Now next one is Chakra hai पानी में जिसके उन्हें प्रणाम. So you have to write samastpad, means compound word. So the answer will be Chakrapani and the bhed will be Bahuvrihi Samas. Here the word is coming hai jiske. So I told you when there is the word hai jiska is coming in Vigrah, it represents to third entity. So that is Lord Vishnu and it is Bahuvrihi Samas. Now the format for which the board question has asked, विद्या रूपी धन या दया रूपी प्रवाह. समस्त इसका समस्त पद कीजिए और इसका भेद लिखिए. So here the answer will be vidya dhan daya pravah. And here it is karmdhare samas. How you will understand that it is karmdhare samas? When there is a comparison word like rupee, it means like or as. The first word is compared to a second, then it is upman karmdhare samas. You will write karmdhare samas. Then next one is bahuvrihi samas का कौन सा पद प्रधान होता है? Means which पद? When we are doing the vigrah, we are making the combination of two words. So which pad is dominant over here? So here कोई भी पद प्रधान नहीं होता है. दोनों पद मिलकर किसी तीसरे का अर्थ बताता है. It represents with third entity. So this is what bahuvrihi samas. Now the rapid fire. Here I say the word, you say the samas type. Before I reveal, all the words are from 2026 board question paper and there are 3 traps inside this. So check it out when you are answering it. So ready? Let's go. So the first word is yatha sthiti. Yes, sthiti ke anusar. So what is that samas? Yes, avevi bhav samas. Then second one is neel gagan. Neela hai, neel gagan. Don't say neela hai jiska gagan. Neela gagan. It is karm dhare samas. The next one is panchvati. पांच वटों का समाहार. पंच, पांच, द्विगु समास. It is not bahuvrihi samas. It is पांच वटों का समाहार. Then Sharanand, yes, sat hai anand jiske. It is bahuvrihi samas. It is not dvigu samas. It refers to Lord Kartike. Then diya bati, hyphen is there. Both the words have equal importance. One will be incomplete without the second word, so it is dvan samas. Then Ganga tat. Ganga ka tat. Yes, it is tatpuru samas. The connector is there. Then Mahatma. Mahan hai jo atma. It is bahuvrihi samas. Then Sat Sai. Sat. I told you it is a number. So Dvigu samas. Then Swet Kamal. Swet hai jiska kamal. It is कर्म धारय समास. Then vicharadhin. विचार के अधीन. तत्पुरुष समास. Connector is there. So वीणा पानी. वीणा है पानी में जिसके. It is बहुव्रीहि समास. जिसका जिसके is there. Then छात्रावास. छात्र के लिए आवास. छात्र means student. आवास means house. So it is तत्पुरुष समास. Here छात्र is not a number. Don't fall trap for it. It is not द्विगु समास. There is no number here. Then dal bhat, rice and pulses. Yes, द्वंद समास. Then अष्टा अध्याय. 8 अध्यायों का समाहार. Yes, number is there. द्विगु समास. Lambodar. You know it. You are very familiar with this word. Whom we call Lambodar? Lord Ganesha. Yes, it is Bahuvrihi Samas. Then Mahasangram. It is Mahan Sangram. So, Karmdhare Samas. Then Bakaida. So here it is Avevi Bhav Samas. कायदे के अनुसार. then pitambar. Now when the word pitambar is coming, you have to decide upon the context, how the sentence is coming. If pila ambar, yellow cloth, then it is what? Karmdhare samas or bahuvrihi samas? So you read the question first, accordingly you write the answer. So pila ambar, it is कर्मधारय समास, and when it is पीत है अंबर जिसका, it is बहुव्रीहि समास. Now next one, चक्र पानी, we have discussed. चक्र है पानी में जिसके, it is बहुव्रीहि समास. Now if you have made it till here, then you know samas better than most of the students who are learning Hindi for many years, not because you memorized, you understood the logic. So that is the difference here. Now the three things which you have to do before you go. You have to comment Samas PDF so that I can provide you the cheat sheet where all the tricks are there, and with the 2026 all questions with bilingual model answers are there, and it is completely free. There is no strings attached to it. So just comment Samas PDF. So number 2, subscribe and hit the bell button, because all other grammar, alankar, karak, sandhi will all come in English, all for students like you. Send this to 2 friends right now who is still struggling with samas. One forward can change their whole board exam result. So from here, Hindi may not be your first language, but from today, samas is your strongest topic. So see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to Hindi Simplified X and stay amplified.